side. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, I want to welcome you and I want to tell you that on this channel we talk about law of attraction, manifestation, spirituality, personal development and so much more. And I welcome you all. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. So today's video is going to be one of my favorite videos because this is one of my favorite topics. The topic of today's video is 5 signs that you are in universal alignment, or 5 signs that law of attraction is working for you. So a little disclaimer before proceeding with this video: these are not all the signs. There are so many signs and symbols which you might get before your manifestation is coming to you, or before you actually know that the law of attraction is working. But these are the common signs which people usually see. So yes, let's get started with the sign. So basically what happens is there's a lag between where you are right now and where you want to go. Basically, here you are and this is what you want. This is you and this is your manifestation, and between here there's a lag. Lag is basically nothing, the when and how to your manifestation. Like, you do not know when the thing is gonna happen, you do not know how the thing is gonna happen. So that lag is basically how it is gonna happen and when it is gonna happen. So now lag is basically the things which are going behind the scene. बैक एंड पे जो भी काम हो रहा होता है ना, जिससे कि जो हमारा एंड रिजल्ट है, जो फाइनल रिजल्ट है, वो बहुत अच्छे से दिखे, दैट इज व्हाट द लैग इज. एंड व्हेन द लैग इज गोइंग ऑन, दैट व्हेन यू नॉट रिसीव द थिंग येट, that is when you get the signs that yes, the thing that you want is on its way, is gonna happen, and the things behind the scenes are happening for you to receive the things in a more happier and in a more positive way. So sign number 1, you automatically start feeling good about your manifestation. You automatically start feeling good about that thing which you want. You feel at peace, you feel at calm, because think about it this way: if you know that the thing that you want is yours, is destined to be yours, and you're gonna get it either today or tomorrow, you will never be desperate. You will be in a happy state, knowing the fact that that thing is mine and that thing is gonna come to me no matter what. Either today or tomorrow, that thing is mine. So yes, that is gonna come to me. So you will be in a more shanti wali state mein, and you will be in a more calm wala state. Sign number 2 is gonna be you have complete faith in the process. Yes, you have mastered the art of letting go. You have mastered the art of detaching yourself from the outcome. So think about it this way. For example, if there's a dream car which I'm trying to manifest, what will happen is that I will not care that if I have my car right now with me or not. I am trying to manifest the car, but here in this present moment I do not have the car, and I will not care about even if I'm having the car or even if I'm not having the car. Why? Because I have complete faith in the process, because I have ultimate trust in the process, because I know for a fact that the car is mine and the car is gonna be there. I have literally detached myself from the outcome. What my outcome is, my manifestation of a car. Me getting the car is my manifestation, and I have let go of it. I have surrendered the when I'm gonna get the car. I am surrendered the how I'm gonna get the car. So why have I actually let go of it? Because I have complete faith in the process, because either by hook or by crook I'm gonna get the car, because I have literally embodied the version of me having that car. I have asked for the car. I have believed in the process, and I have believed in the receiving part as well, that I've already received it. That's when I'll not care if I'm having the car or not. That's when I'll have complete and utter faith in the process. So yes, this was sign number 2. So sign number 3 is going to be that you will literally just start seeing repeated numbers. Repeated numbers like 1111, 222, 333, 444, etc. These numbers out of nowhere will just come in front of you, just come in front of your sight. These numbers are actually a sign that yes, law of attraction is working for you, that yes, you are in complete alignment, you are in universal alignment with your goals, with whatever it is that you want, and the thing that you want is actually going to happen. Repeated numbers, seeing repeated numbers is a very great sign, and yes, most of them sees it. I see it. Like whenever I go out, I see it on the number plate of the car. I see it on like the number of the likes on the Instagram, the number of views on a certain video on YouTube. So most people do not actually know about this number wala thing, because most people are not actually aware of this thing. Even when I started, listening to podcasts and learning more about law of attraction and everything, I never knew about what repeated numbers are actually. That repeated numbers is also a thing. Then when I, listened to it, I understood the concept. There's a separate meaning of each of the number, and I started consciously manifested it, that yes, if this thing is gonna happen, show me 333, show me 444. That's when I came into alignment, and that's when I literally started to see repeated numbers. And yes, seeing repeated numbers is a very big sign. If you are already seeing it, congratulations, you are in universal alignment and the thing is working for you. So yes, seeing repeated signs is also a very major sign. If you are someone who is also seeing the repeated numbers, any of the numbers, do let me know if you are actually seeing the numbers, and which number do you see most frequently. Yeah, do let me know in the comments. Sign number 4 is going to be synchronicities. So synchronicities is basically when you are consciously trying to manifest something, and that thing, whatever it is that you are trying to manifest, just manifests in your physical reality, either with somebody else, or with your friends, or with your family, or with anyone, but not with you. So synchronicities is basically, for example, so this thing actually happened with me recently, and it is actually happening with me. So the thing is that I have been manifesting to to want to go to a water park, or to want to go to swimming, because I love water for some reason, and I just love swimming. So I really want to go and in water park, and I want to swim. So what happened was, even in Instagram or on real life with my friends, or whatever it is which I was seeing in front of me, everybody was freaking going to a water park. Everybody was uploading stories in the swimming pool, like my friends, my another friend, then random people which I'm watching on Instagram, their stories, they are randomly going to water park. I have my friends, out of a sudden, out of nowhere, they're asking me, would you want to go to water park? I'm like, what is this happening? So like, this is what synchronicities is basically. Before the thing is actually going to manifest in your life, in your physical reality, in your 3D dimensions, you will see that thing, that exact thing is actually happening with other people as well. So yes, this is again a major sign. So one thing which I want to add on here is that ये water park वाला example is very छोटा सा example, but अगर मैं थोड़ा बड़ा example लूँ, for example, there are people who are trying to manifest a certain amount of money. Now what will happen is the people will see that people, their friends are manifesting that certain amount of money, their parents are manifesting money, their colleagues are manifesting money, but they themselves are not manifesting the amount of money which they wanted. So now what will happen is they will at times become jealous that this is the thing which I wanted, and this exact thing is happening in their reality, in my friend's reality, in my colleague's reality. Why is it not happening with me? And at times people will become jealous, people will become unhappy. They are gonna emit that jealous wala energy, they are gonna emit that lack wala energy, that this is the thing which I'm not getting, this is the thing that person is getting. Remember, like attracts like, and if you are emitting that lack wala frequency by being jealous of other person, you are automatically gonna get the lack as well. You would never be able to manifest money if you are actually being jealous of what someone already has. Trust me, this thing has never worked for me. There were times when I always was jealous of people who were doing so better in life than me, who were doing the exact same thing which I wanted to do in life, and this used to harm me. This was like the self-sabotage wala behavior, and I have now overcome that particular stage. And now when I see the people who are getting the things that I want, I genuinely selflessly become happy for them, because I know that thing is manifested in my reality. That thing is gonna happen with me as well. That thing is gonna manifest with me as well. So yes, this was the sign number 4. Sign number 5 is gonna be inspired thoughts and inspired actions. So what happens is, when you are trying to manifest something, at times this will happen that you are not just going to get your manifestation directly in your hand, or you're not just going to get your manifestation directly being manifested in your physical reality. At times you'll just get an inspired thought in your mind. You will just get an intuition in your heart, and that intuition, I swear, would be so strong that you wouldn't just be able to deny it. And when this thing happens, or when at times this thing happens, when you have this strong intuition about something, when you have this strong gut feeling about something, without thinking, just go for it. That is where the universe giving you evidence that yes, this is a thing which will lead you to your manifestation. So please do it with an open heart. If you're getting a gut feeling about something, please do not resist it, please do not suppress it, because at the end you're gonna hurt no one but yourself. Then with inspired thought comes inspired action. For example, if I want to grow my YouTube channel, right? So for growing my YouTube channel, I'll definitely have a thought that yes, I want to grow my YouTube channel. But by thinking and thinking and thinking, I would never be able to grow my YouTube channel. What required here is the action which I have to take. So at times, inspired thought will come with an inspired action. So when you have a manifestation in your mind, usually you will get a thought and an action as well. So if you want to grow your YouTube channel, you will definitely have to be consistent. You'll definitely have to upload videos regularly. So whatever it is that you want, you will get a thought, and when you get a thought, you will have in your mind that you have to take this action as well. So please make sure to take those actions, because as I always say, inspired thought plus inspired action equals to real life magic. So yes, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. So before me signing off, I want to let you know that we have a Telegram community where all of us come together and uplift each other, where all of us motivate each other, and where all of us solve with each other queries if we have any. You can join the group. You're more than welcome to join the group if you want to. You will find the link here in the description, and you can follow me on Instagram if you want to. And if you like the video, please hit that thumb button, share with your friends, comment in the video if you liked it, tell me which topic which you want me to make next. Subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon, and share this video with your friends. This is Muskan Mehra signing off. Bye bye, and see you in the next video.